Look, I want to move on to another topic. In China, hundreds of thousands of people reportedly have been given a COVID-19 vaccine even before the vaccine has gone through the regulatory approval processes. This is, pretty amazing when you think about it, that the virus began in Wuhan, China, and now China is the first place where a vaccine is rolled out. But Richard, do you think this is unethical? That people are being given this vaccine before anyone knows whether it's safe or what the side effects could be?
Well, I think one of the other big questions, Shara, with that is how much can you believe anything the Chinese government says? I mean, most of us didn't believe the numbers that they put out about how many coronavirus cases they had in the first place. How can you believe A, anything about this vaccine, and B, if so many people have actually got it? I mean, this is the problem that comes out with China. It is very, very hard to verify or believe things that are coming out of the Chinese mainland in a way that it hasn't been since normalization of relations, and since Tiananmen Square. So it's just very hard to verify. Is it unethical? Absolutely. I mean, these vaccines have to be double, triple, quadruple checked before anyone gets them, because we all know that a vaccine with bad side effects can be even worse than the virus. But number two, I mean, it's pretty unethical that hundreds of thousands of people are getting this in China and the rest of the world's just finding out about it now and doesn't have a chance to actually try it for themselves. I mean, I think Scott Morrison has made a very good point over a couple of months that any country that attempts to keep basically a coronavirus vaccine for itself, considering the damage that's been done to the entire world, will be looked on very badly by history.
Absolutely. And Aaron, at the very least, shouldn't the scientists in Australia, in the US, in the UK be able to, shouldn't they be given this vaccine to analyse, to look at, to find out, how it is that China has reached this vaccine?
Well, of course they should be. And this is just another example of how the Chinese regime works. They have no regard for basic human rights. And the fact that you would give a vaccine which is potentially fatal, unproven vaccines are very, very dangerous, volatile kind of treatments. And big vaccine trials normally take years and years, and you have to test them on 15 to 30,000 people, stage 3. So this is just another example, and one of my colleagues from the Fin Review, Michael Smith, he just came back in the office. He basically, had to run out of China because of fear of being arrested. And this is a country which is thumbing its nose at the rest of the world and basic human rights, and we should all be very concerned about that.
Yeah.